Hi, Dania. How are you? This is John.
Hi John, how are you? I'm good.
I'm good too. How are things there in Pakistan?
Oh, don't ask. There's a lot of trouble all the time. I had so much time picking up my kids from school, and it was such a long way. I'm so tired. It has been really hectic, and with all the electricity issue, it's really hard.
I'm really sorry to hear that, but let's get to work then. I actually want you and your team to create a website, like design a website for me. And we're actually, my team is really excited that all the sales that are coming in, people are asking us to, have our own website up so they can go online and shop from there. So we are looking for someone to who can, help us setting up our online store.
Okay.
So how can you help me in that? Like they're specifically, my team is looking for a seamless process where users can go online and buy things. So how this is going to work? Can you just let me know?
Yeah, we have been working in the past on similar project, and your store can go online. Nothing difficult about that. We can do this easily.
Okay, I actually want this get it done like within 2 weeks. So as soon as possible. So can you do that in 2 weeks?
2 weeks. I will have to check and discuss with my team their availability and how much time will they take.
Okay.
Can you fill this questionnaire for me? I'm sending you one and
What questionnaire? I thought we are having this call because you can collect the requirements for me. So I think that would, it would be better if you can do that.
it's a two-page questionnaire, Mr. John. If you can, I will send it to you. You fill it out and you send us back, then I can tell you.
Danya, I'm a busy guy. I don't have time for this. I think the best way is, just we can have if you can collect all the requirements from me on this call, that would be great because filling a two-page requirement for you like a questionnaire that would be time taking for me. So can we do this on this call?
On this call,
Yeah,
uh,
that's why we
actually, I
scheduled
don't
this
have
call,
the
right?
file with me right now.
But why are we having this call if you're not collecting the requirements? Just to chit chat?
Yeah, maybe we just had a call. You said call me on this time. I just called you.
Okay, Dana, let's do one thing. Just I'm going to rush into another call. Just send me the questionnaire and I can try to get it back to you as soon as possible and we can have another call. Okay?
Okay, thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.